ahead, babe.
You can do.
Ew! You actually repeated it. You're so stupid. What is up, Nova Nation? This is your girl, Vana Supernova. Today we are diving deep into my Dirty 30. Yes, this is my birthday vlog, and we are headed to Key West. Mag surprised me with the best birthday ever. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Well, hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are actually going to Key West. Magnum over here decided to surprise me. Okay, so baby, what inspired this trip?
Well, you know, it's my baby's birthday.
Woo! Sorry.
It's her month, and I decided to take her out on a special trip.
Aww.
So it's gonna be nice. She deserves it. It's a big 20th birthday, so.
I love you. He knows my heart. Yes, if you don't already know, I'm turning 20.
It's gonna be fun.
Indeed it is. And I can't wait because I haven't been to Key West since I was like this big. So I don't know what we have planned for this weekend, but of course I'm gonna bring you guys along, or we will be bringing you guys along, because he actually planned everything. Literally, what was it, like yesterday, or like in the middle of the night? It was the middle of the night yesterday.
Yeah.
He literally told me middle of the night yesterday, he was like, yeah, by the way, I have everything planned for your birthday. He was like, just, why'd you say it? Were you like, just pack your bags or something like that? It was like very like spontaneous for me, because I'm like, okay. But I kind of knew he was planning something. I just didn't know it was like this weekend. And it worked out perfectly with his jobs. So now we have like the entire weekend to ourselves, which never happens. Literally, I can't even remember the last time we had a whole weekend off together. I guess it would be when we went to San Fran. That would have been the last time, and before that it's like non-existent. But I'm gonna stop blabbering. I'm gonna show you guys everything, literally everything. Well, not everything, because you know, now YouTube got this whole children thing going on and these disclaimers, and I don't know what's happening. But anyways, see you soon. All right, bye. Look alive, babe. This lighting isn't the most flattering. Looks like Dawn of the Dead.
Yeah.
we just arrived to the hotel, or actually it's not even a hotel, a regular hotel, it's a resort. So I thought he was taking me to like a regular hotel where we were just gonna like stay. This is actually a resort, so it has everything that you see in like all the little vacation magazines, and it looks like something out of a what, Ben?
Magazine?
Oh yeah. It looks like something out of a magazine, out of a movie. Yeah, it looks like something out of a movie, and it's really, really, really nice. Like, I can't even believe it. So right now, I just got like 2 free drinks. Yeah. Because it's my birthday week, and concierge already, I'm loving them. That was really nice of her. She was like, "What are you guys celebrating?" And I was like, "My birthday." And she was like, "When is it?" I was like, "Tomorrow." It really is in like 2 or 3 days, but we're not staying that long, so I just said tomorrow just so I could hear happy birthday. Yes, I'm one of those people. So now we're gonna go get our drinks, and if we like how the restaurant and bar look, then we're gonna go ahead and eat there. But I think we're gonna end up liking it because this is a resort, y'all. Like, this is, I don't know, it's really nice, babe. Because like there's like so many pools. I don't understand. There's like a pool behind everybody's like room or whatever. In addition to that, there's like a pool that stays open like night till 10. If the pool's open, I want to go for a night swim. So let's.
It's 10, so. It's 10. It's only 7:30, so.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, because I kind of want to take my chances. Yeah. Let's go. So we're getting ready for the pool, and then Mag goes, "So," and don't mind me, I have like one earring on because I was like literally taking my clothes off so I could put my swimsuit on. He's like, "So, do you want your gift?" And I was like, "Yeah, duh, why would I want to wait?" So now he's unpacking it, and now I'm like extra excited. So okay, let's see. Okay. I'm still gonna like keep getting ready for the pool because they close soon. So let's see. Oh, y'all, I love like jewelry that's like, when they say it's like a girl's best friend, it really is. At least my best friend. Like, I really love jewelry. Not like a little bit, like I love jewelry. If you could see how much jewelry I brought on this trip, you'd be disgusted. He went to Jared. I feel like a commercial now. Oh my gosh.
He went to Jared.
He went to Jared.
I went to Jared, yeah.
Okay. Wait, I gotta, oh my God.
Special occasions for my girl's birthday. And I know you love jewelry.
So did you like pick this, or did they pick it for you?
What do you mean pick it? What do you mean?
You know, like when they like tell you recommendations, the jeweler
will
like give recommendations, and I'm just opening this box.
Look at it.
I just love jewelry so much. I was trying to be cute, but now I really want it. Is it something that I can wear tomorrow?
I don't know. Look and see.
Okay, you guys can see. Can they see it?
Yeah, they can see it.
It's a necklace. It's an upgrade. Oh, I don't have one of these. It's a bracelet. Why did I take the whole thing out like a savage? Okay. It's a bracelet. And I love like elegant pieces like this. This is so elegant. I'd be so scared to lose this. This is like for special occasions.
You don't have those, so. I figured I already bought her a necklace.
Yeah. Janae had got me something very, very similar. This is super cute. Thank you. Okay, so we just left the restaurant. It was absolutely delicious. I already showed you what we had, but yeah, it was really, really good. I didn't get to finish everything. That was like way too much food for me, and plus y'all know that I'm like fluctuating between keto and non-keto and stuff. I'm trying to reintroduce the keto lifestyle to myself, so it's hard for me to like consume a lot of carbs. So I didn't really eat much of the plantain or the rice, but I tried, okay? I tried. But now we're heading over to the pool. The pool's supposed to be closing at 10 o'clock, but pretty much the server said that they don't really care if it's beyond 10. I think it's just that it's not gonna be monitored type thing. Nobody's gonna really be there to kind of help if something happens. So it's kind of like use it at your own risk type thing. So, and then of course at midnight security does his rounds. So you gotta kind of leave before then. And as long as you're not loud, nobody's gonna bother you. So now we're putting on our swimsuits. I have mine on, I just gotta take off my jewelry. And then yeah, that's how we're gonna close our night.
Thank you for spending this birthday evening. Lady.
That is me.
Now I'm about to take a dip in the pool.
In the pool. Yeah, we're gonna end the night here. here. I don't think I'm gonna have any more drinks. We chilled the freaking wine. I don't think I'm gonna drink anymore. But we'll see you in the next video.